Hello guys, myself Jamshed Khan. Today we study D block elements. D block elements in this type of elements which have last electron in d orbitals is called D block elements. D block elements have all metals present in solid state, but exceptionally Hg, mercury present in liquid state at room temperatures. It is exceptions. In D block elements, most D block elements present between S and P blocks. So, first D block elements is called transition elements, but this definitions does not explain transition properties of D block elements or transition properties. Like D block elements have four series. First series 3D series, second 4D series, third 5D series, and fourth 6D series. Third 3D series start fourth period, second series start fifth period, third series start sixth period, and fourth start seventh period. The first series start scandium 21 to zinc 30. Second series start ytterbium 39 to cadmium Cd 48. Fifth D or third series start lanthanum to mercury. Then fourth series start Ac, actinium and incomplete. A synthetic elements UUB and unBl 112 in last members. D block elements present in S and P block elements, between S and P block elements. The D block elements are also known as transition elements. Transition elements is zinc, cadmium, mercury does not show these properties because transition elements in this type of elements which have incomplete d orbitals. Transition elements means in this type of elements which have incomplete d orbitals is called transition elements. Transition elements zinc, cadmium, mercury is not transition elements because they are completely filled d orbitals in general electronic configuration and general oxidation state. So, transition elements definitions in which type of elements which have unpaired electron in general oxidation state and general electronic configuration is called transition elements. But zinc general electronic configuration 3D10 4s2, cadmium 4D10 5s2 and mercury 5D10 6s2. In general electronic configuration, zinc, cadmium, mercury have D10, D10, D10 configuration, and their general electronic configuration, oxidation state, zinc present in Zn plus 2, zinc plus 2, 3D 10 4s 0, cadmium plus 2 4D 10 5s 0, mercury 5D 10 and 6s 0. So, three conditions electronic configuration and three conditions general oxidation state all have D10 configuration. So, zinc, cadmium, mercury does not transition elements. They are D block elements but does not transition elements. They are D block elements because their last electron enter in d orbital. So they are D block elements but not transition elements. Yes, next electronic configuration of D block elements. Electronic configuration formula N-1 D 1 to 10 and S 1 to 2, where n-1 d means penultimate cell. Penultimate cell means last one cell. 1, 2, 3 and 4 means 4s and 3d. The electron enter in penultimate 3d